And I'll say, like, it's been people that's just been waiting for me to fail, waiting for the Celtics to lose, or waiting for just us to just, whatever negative energy, they've just been waiting to post or waiting to do this because the Celtics, they known for what they known for, even how I carry myself. But, they're just going to have to keep waiting because the negative energy just going to bounce off. Like, it's not even sticking. Like, just because it's right now, don't mean what the future and the potential is going to look like. So for all those who believe and all those that have been day ones, just, the energy's still shifting, man. So we're going to keep our heads forward.
You mentioned earlier on the stream the media machine.